Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. This is the lid to my container that I put my paint in when I'm scooping and transferring. That's Sherwin Williams in a satin finish. I have created myself out of a craftastic piece of plastic. I've created a swipe card and I'm going to use it on a variety of colors. I think I want a palette knife. To make that paint go up to that edge. This is African Violet. These are Prizm Pours and Primary Elements. This is Rhapsody Rose. The African Violet is a Prizm Pour. The Rhapsody Rose is a primary element. This is Tempting Tulip, also another primary element. This is Orange Crush. Another Prizm Pour. This is Royal Sapphire. And Fandango. Both Prizm Pours. Do I want another color? I kind of want to put some gold in there, to tell you the truth. So I'm going to grab that. I wish it were open. Well, it's a little open. Now I'm going to use the black cell activator that's Australian Floetrol. I would if it were deciding to be open. And I've got some gold interference and I just used it and I think I want to use it again. That paint chip is not invited though. Off. That's what the one came out of the bottle. Alright, so here goes nothing. I'm going to grab a spatula, clean this off. These are OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatulas. Best paint spreading tool I know of. Quick like a bunny, clean off my swipe card because I can't throw it in the bucket because I don't think the tape will last. I'm going to take a straw. And we're going to take this and let it rest for a minute while we put paint on a 12 by 16 inch canvas that I have waiting. And that's what this lid is for. So it'll be ready when we want it. That is the first time that I have used a variety of colors, and I stuck my 12 by 16 inch canvas right here, and I think I want to do a black background, but I have some leftover paint and I'm contemplating what I might want to do with it. So let's just start. Now I tend to think that you need a tiny little bit less paint, and that's good because I don't think I have as much paint as I would normally use. But I will be using my Oxo Almond Turning Flip and Fold spatula. Also, this Tricorn Black from Sherwin Williams does tend to be just a little bit thinner. So that means it will spread more easily. Maybe too much more easily. Now this is going to be a transfer and maybe scoop and drag on top of that. We'll see what happens. Because I have enough pillow paint in the center. And I'm wondering if I have maybe more pillow paint than I think I do because of the viscosity issue. I'm going to throw that black in the bucket. That spatula in the bucket. I'm not going to worry about any gaps I see right now. I am going to spread that a little bit wider. It definitely moves faster than the white. I bet I can cover that spot. Yeah, maybe that's not a bet I should have taken. There we go. Okay, now it's time to bring back my paint dish. And I found that I have a playing card. Chances are, what did I do with it? Well, I've got a playing card alike. I take the lid off my paint. This time I'm going to start with ray shapes and then scoop and drag if I want to. I may also tip before I go too far. I am getting used to the paint pan in my hand. It's pretty heavy. But I don't really want to drag a whole bunch of little tails all over the place. Oh, there's some really pretty paint on that card. I really would love to have it off. Well, I didn't use my leftovers, and that's okay. Oh, I've got some black and white coming up. Excellent. And I can stop. I can, yeah. And put the cover back on the paint. If I stop listing. Sorry about my head. I'm just trying whatever comes to mind, basically, at this point. Because until I figure out what happens when I do certain things, there's really nothing I can pre-plan. Oops. So seeming that I think the edges will disappear, there may be not that much point in going on. I wish I'd put that in the middle. I've got a little bit more of it though. I like the waggly look. The crossover. That might give dimension. There's some of that purple. You watch, I'm going to like it as it is again. I do keep catching myself dipping down. I need some more of that red in there. I like the orange too. I like it so much I'm not going to stop using it. I don't know that I'll have any black left. Kind of think I won't. I'm glad I didn't stick the paint palette right in there. Alright, it's almost time. I think it is time actually. Let's cover, oops. Well, I need some more super glue to fix my cover. I'm not going to let this rest right here. I want it. And I need to look and see if I want to scoop and drag anything. That's going in the bucket. Yep, I'm going to scoop and drag a few things. Because I like the transfer okay, but I like the scoop and drags too. When they cross over other things, they just become kind of magical. I like the white under the transfer and the black. I wish I could keep it. I might put a few spirals in. I usually do. Just drag my finger through something. It's okay, maybe it'll make it interesting. I think I'm almost there. I don't think I'm going to save half of what I like the look of, so I'm going to stop for a second. Give myself an opportunity to take a photograph. And maybe I'll learn how to keep some of this stuff eventually. I don't think that there's going to be any black left at all. These are going in the bucket. I'm going to pop that bubble. I'm going to steal a little paint right here. Steal a little more right here. Skewer and spiral. Even small spirals turn into big spirals. Well, that kind of figures. I don't think we're going to be able to keep much of anything, but I'm hoping that what's left is going to be cool looking. It certainly is kind of neat right now, but the paint is deep, which means it's going to fly off pretty seriously. Alright, I'll have to be satisfied with a picture of this. Everything goes in the bucket. I wish the black would stay. Oh darn. Alright, I'm going to move that up just a hair. Ready? Pop that bubble first. I got to spin out far enough to cover my edges, but I do use an acetate tool, and if I don't include the video, just ask me. I got to keep some of my black. I'm happy about that. Getting a little fast and loose with my barrier though. Let's break that and see where we're going. I see all sides look like they're covered. Oh yes, very cool. I'm going to grab my skewer again, or a skewer again. Throw just a couple more spirals in where they might need to be. And I think I'm going to call it good. Actually, you know what? I've got beautiful paint right there. No reason not to use it. I don't know if I want any more. Alright, so I've got 1 minute to tell you guys, please give me a thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out. When you leave me a comment, you boost my morale. I love you much. I hope you come again. I post at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If I'm really fast, I might be able to shimmer this at you. I am still learning how to do this. Most of what I make can be reproduced at Spring, Pixels.com, Fire Nerd America, Society 6, and Legalist. Thank you for the thumbs up, did I say? Thank you for the PayPal donations, icons on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. This is pretty cool. I'm going to have to learn how to put my paint down in more specific patterns pretty soon. Alright, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. And what am I missing? My my link tree is where